The next day, so we are at the house. I'm waiting for the locksmith to arrive so we can have the locks changed, because when the tenant moved, she only gave me one out of the three keys. So yeah, and like when I change tenants, I always have the locksmith come out and change all the locks. Anyways, I'll wait for him and then have the locks changed in the house. Okay, let the cleaning begin. So I just had a chat with the people from the heating thing, right? And they say they would not open the heat unless like the company that owns this property pays the bills from the tenant. And I'm like, no, I don't want to pay money that I'm not supposed to pay. And they say like, we can't open the heat before you pay. And I'm like, okay, then I'll pay it under protest. The thing is that if they put it out to the company, then the company can invoice the tenant for the missing payments of the heat. But if they don't do that, then the company can't invoice the tenant. So that's kind of a problem. Anyways, I have a guy coming, probably never experienced something like this, but I have a guy coming from a kitchen company, and then I want him to give me an offer on the kitchen in around 1 hour. So until then I'll just start the cleaning process with the living room and see if I can clean this up. Now I'm like sweating like a pig, not like 100% on top of myself before I started this. Anyways, so what happened now was that I removed all the big stuff inside this room, and then I'm going to use this blanket thing to see if I can clean most of this up, and then I'm going to swoop, use the broom to clean the floor, and then I'm going to attack the kitchen next. Alright, so I took the stuff out of the kitchen, so now I have the kitchen guy coming in 10 minutes, and we'll see what he thinks of the kitchen. I tried emptying the fridge, but it just became too disgusting, like the liquid stuff running out over my hands. So I stopped. You can see it here. It's like running out brown black liquid. So I quit that project. Had the guy from the kitchen company come and make an offer. So not an offer, but like look at it, measure it, and then he's going to make us an offer to change the kitchen. So we'll see what he comes up with. So I think I'll continue the cleaning in the entrance. Out here I just found the thing I wanted to show you. So here's like some rope, and then this was where so like you have the hook here, and then you have the thing here. So this was where she would put the dog. So it was put here, then it could only move over here to this length. So then it's been biting the leash thing here, right? So this was like where one of the dogs was living. I noticed something like completely crazy. So here, there's like a hole in the wall, and then she's put Noodles inside the hole, right? It's like, what is going on inside the person's head, right? Like what the fuck, right? And then probably same thing for this look here. So I removed the dishwasher, and then you can see here that like the cable has been chewed in. If you noticed, but I found 2 letters behind the laundry machine along with the noodles. I haven't removed the noodles yet, but then one of the letters says like, get your dogs to shut up. They're barking all the time. If they continue in the new year, I'll put them down myself. If you're home or not, it has to stop. Do you understand? And then he's written her another love letter over here, but I can't read it. So get your dogs under control. I think, no, they're barking all the time, but I don't know what the rest of the letter says. Anyways, I'm a little bit sad about the floor here, so it's been used as a dog toilet, so it's kind of broken, and the wall is kind of broken too. Makes me a little sad. And then they chewed in some of the pipes here, so it's leaking, which is not good when you have a timber house. But the bathroom, it's clean now, right? So now it's like ready for the next tenant, right? And see how clean it is now, right? So inside here, boom, 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 and then I had the So everything is awesome. I think I'll shut the door now, and then I'll have a break. So it's been 2 hours, I think. No, maybe 3. So I'll have a break, go do something else, and then I'll come back and clean upstairs and move the stuff out and see if I can wash the floors. Upstairs now, so that is the next project. I'm back, by the way. I changed clothes, I had a shower. Still feel kind of dirty from being in the house. Anyways, I'm upstairs, and next part is to clean out the stuff up here, and let there be lights and remove the plastic bag curtains over there. And then in the meantime, I got the kitchen company called me, so they gave me an offer. I think it's a little less than $5,000 US. A little less, 4,800, 600, right? And then we have like 20% of it is tax, right? There's still a lot of flies here. Anyways, for the kitchen, so that number doesn't really scare me. You can write what you think, like it's including oven, stove, dishwasher. I think maybe the fridge is included too. So you can write what you think in the comments, like 4,800 for full kitchen, including everything. So that is good. I have then 2 other companies called me from 2 other like competing brands of kitchens. So one is going to give me an offer tomorrow, and one is going to give me an offer on Monday. And then I can compare the 3, which one I think is better, or the wife think is better. Anyways, I'll start cleaning up upstairs. So I finished emptying this outside room, and then I had like this crazy itch that I wanted to use the vacuum cleaner. That is not like something I usually do, but then just wanted to clean, vacuum, but there's no electricity, so it hasn't been turned up, so I have to turn on. So I have to follow up on that tomorrow, so we can get some electricity, because I really want to vacuum this room. Anyways, so this room is empty now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the furniture from in here, and then that is not broken, and then I'm going to put it inside this room, and then I'm going to take the carpet off inside here too. So I finished upstairs, and this is the stuff I pulled out earlier downstairs, so I'll take that now and put it out in the garage, where I've put all the other stuff from upstairs, and we can just go check upstairs what it looks like. Boom, 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 boom. So this is what it looks like now. Yeah. Anyways, I'll move the stuff downstairs. It comes to an end, and the garage is a lot more full than it was when I started this morning. So I think I did actually manage what I wanted to do. So like I emptied more or less the entire house. I have a few pieces of furniture here that I have to ask the wife about. And then there are some pieces of furniture that's too big, so I shouldn't break myself too much. So that's why I haven't moved it out yet. But else, yeah, the house is empty. There's still like some cleaning I need to do. The kitchen is somewhat down. I can't turn off the water here, so either I turn off the water in the entire building. I don't want to do that. So I need to have someone come up and put a thing so I can valve so I can turn off the water. Then I had some problems with the heating, so I need a guy to come out and check that. And then I made a video about like when a tenant moves, where you could see like before and after pictures. And the thing is that I have like this move out report is in 1 week from today, so I have to wait for that. So the reason why I spent the entire day today removing all the garbage is because I needed to find all the damages that she's been causing to the property, so that when I have this inspection with her, then I can point out all the damages, right? Who cares about the garbage? The garbage is not like it is. It's expensive to get it out of the garage, but like moving it out of the house is not like that big a task, right? So I managed to do that today. Don't tell the wife, right? Because then she expects me to do cleaning at home too. Anyways, so there will be a link to the next video up here. So I think the next phase is like heating up the house, like make it into an oven when I get the heat on. Then I need some dehumidifiers out here, and then I need to remove the rest of the kitchen and the mold. But first, and then consider like the economy, like how much money do we have, how much money do we want to spend on this project. So that's the next video that's coming in this series. So if it's not there yet, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, give it a like. If you don't like it, give it a dislike. Share your opinion and your view of life in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.